OPPO has officially unveiled its latest Reno14 series in China, marking a new chapter in its mid-range smartphone lineup. The OPPO Reno14 stands out with a striking design, inspired by the delicate shape of a mermaid's tail, impressive camera capabilities, including a 3.5x optical zoom, powerful performance fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, and a hefty 6000 mAh battery that promises all-day usage. Here's an in-depth look at what makes the Reno14 a compelling option in its segment. At first glance, the OPPO Reno14 sticks to the brand's familiar design language, featuring a modern flat-edged frame, a large rectangular camera module placed asymmetrically on the back, and a sleek finish that resembles the Reno13 F5G, which many users have come to appreciate. However, OPPO has added subtle, yet distinctive touches that give the Reno14 its own personality. The standout feature is undeniably the back panel's mermaid tail design, inspired by the shimmering, flowing contours of a mermaid's tail. This design produces an exquisite light, reflecting gradient effect that changes colors smoothly, reminiscent of gentle waves. The version showcased, called the Mermaid variant, boasts a soft pearlescent pink hue. When tilted under light, delicate color shifts ripple across the surface, creating a youthful yet sophisticated look. This effect is far from gaudy. Instead, it strikes a balance of femininity, freshness, and premium appeal. It's likely to attract users who seek uniqueness in their devices, especially those who appreciate subtle but elegant aesthetics. Yet, for those who prefer simplicity, the design also conveys understated refinement that fits well with a minimalist style. The camera module complements this refined look, featuring a rectangular housing that matches the rear's color palette, maintaining OPPO's signature minimalist philosophy. A clever visual twist is found on the right side of the camera block, where the LED flash and ultra-wide camera sit in a separate, clearly defined section, adding an interesting contrast that breaks up the otherwise uniform design. Despite packing a large 6000 mAh battery, a specification usually associated with bulky devices, the Reno14 impresses with its slender profile and light weight. The phone measures only 7.3 mm thick and weighs just 187 grams. Figures that are rare in the segment of smartphones, emphasizing long-lasting battery life. The frame is crafted from metal, lending the device a sturdy and premium feel. Measuring 157.9 by 74.7 mm, it fits comfortably in hand, providing a pleasant grip for users of all genders. Furthermore, the Reno14 meets the IP68/IP69 standards for water and dust resistance, reassuring buyers of its durability in everyday conditions. Button placement remains user-friendly and consistent with OPPO's prior designs. Volume controls rest on the right edge, while the top houses a dedicated microphone and an infrared sensor. The SIM tray, speaker grill, and charging port are all located on the bottom edge, maintaining a clean, organized layout. OPPO equips the Reno14 with a 6.59-inch AMOLED display, delivering a full HD resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels. The panel supports a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, 1 billion colors, and HDR10 certification, ensuring vivid, fluid visuals. The screen performance is impressive for a mid-range device. Whether watching videos, gaming, or browsing, users will enjoy crisp detail, vibrant color reproduction, and excellent contrast. The display also achieves a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making it easily viewable even in bright outdoor conditions. Additionally, the phone features slim bezels, particularly on the sides and top, enabling a high screen-to-body ratio of 89.6%. A small punch hole centered at the top houses the 50-megapixel selfie camera, maximizing usable screen space while preserving aesthetics. Camera upgrades in the Reno14 set it apart from its predecessor. Most notably, The telephoto lens now supports a 3.5x optical zoom, a notable improvement in this price segment. The detailed camera specifications include main camera 50 megapixels sensor, f1.8 aperture, 26 mm focal length, PDAF, and optical image stabilization OIS. Telephoto camera 50 megapixels sensor, f2.8 aperture, 80 mm focal length, PDAF, OIS, and 3.5x optical zoom. Ultra-wide camera 8 megapixels sensor, f2.2 aperture, 15 mm focal length, 116-degree field of view, autofocus enabled. Additional photography features comprise AI-assisted digital zoom up to 20x, enhanced night mode for low-light shots, and AI Portrait 2.0 for improved portrait quality. While detailed camera performance reviews are pending hands-on testing, these specifications indicate a versatile setup capable of capturing sharp, vibrant images across different scenarios. Under the hood, the OPPO Reno14 runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, fabricated using an advanced 4nm process. The GPU is a Mali G615MC6, shared with the Reno13 Pro, offering a solid balance between power efficiency and gaming performance. Memory options are generous, with configurations offering 12GB or 16GB RAM and storage choices, ranging from 256GB to 1TB. Benchmarking with Antutu reveals a score of approximately 1,395,620 points, placing the Reno14 near flagship-tier performance. This ensures smooth handling of demanding mobile games such as PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact, as well as seamless multitasking. The device ships with Android 15 layered with OPPO's Color OS 15, delivering a modern, intuitive user interface packed with smart features. OPPO has heavily integrated AI capabilities, providing tools such as AI Eraser 2.0 automatically removes unwanted objects from photos with improved precision. AI Clear Face and AI Best Face enhances facial clarity and selects the best group photo frame. AI Summary and AI Record summarizes text or voice recordings for quick information access. AI Studio converts photos into stylized cartoon avatars. AI Clarity Enhancer improves sharpness of low-resolution images. AI Reflection Remover removes glare and reflections, useful when shooting through glass. AI Writer and AI Reply suggests message replies and helps with writing. AI Translate Real-Time translation of screen content and speech, breaking language barriers. Perhaps one of the Reno14's most compelling attributes is its large 6,000 mAh battery, which comfortably supports all-day use across varied tasks, from browsing and gaming to streaming. To complement this capacity, OPPO includes 80W Super VOOC fast charging technology, drastically reducing charging times. Users can expect to replenish battery levels swiftly and get back to work or play with minimal downtime. The OPPO Reno14 combines sophisticated design, a high-quality AMOLED display, versatile cameras with optical zoom, flagship-level performance, and a massive battery into a well-rounded mid-range smartphone package. Its Mermaid tail-inspired back panel design adds a refreshing aesthetic that balances elegance and personality. Meanwhile, the slim, lightweight chassis offers durability and comfort, making it an excellent choice for daily use. With powerful internals and a host of AI-driven software features, the Reno14 aims to satisfy a wide range of users, from content creators and gamers to casual users seeking style and reliability. Priced competitively for the segment, the OPPO Reno14 promises to be a standout device, one that could very well capture the attention of those looking for an eye-catching yet practical smartphone.